Why can suspension springs break? They can break due to corrosion caused by moisture and road salt. How does the condition of roads affect the durability of springs? Driving on bumpy roads increases stress and can lead to damage. Does overloading a car affect suspension springs? Yes, overloading puts excessive pressure on the springs and accelerates wear. How does the quality of materials used in manufacturing impact spring durability? Poor quality materials may result in faster wear and breakage. Can regular inspections prevent spring damage? Yes, early detection of corrosion or microcracks helps avoid major issues. Where do car suspension springs most often break? They most often break at the ends, where they are seated in the mounts. Why are the ends of springs more prone to damage? Because they experience the greatest stress and contact with suspension components. Do breaks occur more often at the top or bottom of the spring? They occur more often at the bottom, where moisture and dirt accumulate. Does corrosion affect where the spring breaks? Yes, corrosion weakens the metal structure, especially at points of contact with the mount. Can damage occur in the middle part of the spring? Yes, but it is less common and usually results from material defects or overloading.